Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video we're talking about our commercial fans. So we have a range of commercial fans from 56 inches up to 80 inches. You have a different variety of colors, different blade sizes. But the main benefits of these fans is really to provide that extra breeze that you may not be getting. That will help your HVAC system be more efficient, but also just so that you're comfortable, employees are comfortable, whoever's occupying that space is comfortable. So reach out to our lighting specialist. We can point you in the right direction and get you the fans for your project.